So we're gonna cut Brie first. First cut is right down the middle. And then what you do again is just take that first half, cut that one down the middle on every one. Make sure you cut the entire cheese. What you don't want is your guests to have to cut cheese on the board once it's already prepared. It can cause a mess, and it's just easy for them to come up, grab a piece, put it on their plate and go. So I always recommend cut everything, cut the entire piece of cheese for your guests. So now we're gonna cut our aged Gouda. You can see the outside here, there's a blue rind on here. That's paraffin wax. We don't wanna keep that on here. So that peels off easily. The ends are gonna go in the trash because those have rind all the way around them, and that's not gonna be a good experience for your guests. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay that down, and we're just gonna cut little strips all the way across. Really easy to cut, just do it in strips and make sure that they're not too thick. That way you have enough for everybody to try, because I promise you, this is gonna be a fan favorite, especially when we start pairing that with the chocolate and we start pairing that with caramelized pecans. So next is Gruyere. As you can see, it's a nice rectangle. We're gonna cut it on the short side. That gives the perfect size pieces for what we wanna put on the board here. You really want thin slices, like very thin, something like that. Because the thinner it gets, the more this cheese kind of melts in your mouth. And just like the Gouda, we're gonna take the side pieces, the end pieces, and we're gonna throw those away because those are mostly rind. As you see here, I stacked it the way I'm gonna put it on the board. So with it stacked like that, you can just kind of pick it up, find a nice spot. That looks like a good place right there. Make sure the gaps look pretty good in there, and I think we're good with the cheeses. We're ready to start putting some accompaniments on.